Welcome back, everybody. It's Mark. Well, we made it. We are here. The boat is now in the garage. That took me about 10 days to make that happen. Today, I want to talk about the easiest and most efficient way to launch your boat. I'm going to show you that right now. Now, it helps to have a willing participant. If your significant other is not down for this kind of action, you're probably going to get in a fight. But Baby T actually enjoys taking me down to the ramp and picking me up, so I appreciate that a great deal. When it gets colder, I don't know if it's going to be the same enthusiasm. Here we go.
Hi, Baby T. Baby T is going to take us home. Tell you what, riding back to the house in style. It's not bad. And we're about home. The only thing that Baby T can't do is back the trailer into the driveway for some reason. She can back it into the lake, no problem. Maybe she doesn't want to hit the white Audi. I don't blame her. I don't want to hit it either.
So as you can see, the pickup and the drop off of this situation works perfectly. We don't have a dock. So I would have to either beach it or send it back out with the trolling motor, which I don't want to bury it in the rocks, bringing it back. I'd have to get in the water, etc., etc. So to have the willing participant to take you in and out of the water really makes a big difference. And that's how to launch the boat with ease. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the future. Take it easy.